welcome to this tutorial. I'm Nuria. By the end of this video, you are going to learn the difference between flat file database and relational database. You will also see the cons and pros of each database system. We will conclude this video tutorial by giving you real-world example of each database system. Let's dive in. What's a flat file database? It's a database system that allows you to store data on a single table. This simplicity makes it attractive for small businesses. It's easy to create, use, and understand. Example, Excel sheet. But also it has its own limitation, because there is no relationship between the data stored. It creates data duplication, which leads to loss of data integrity and inaccuracy. It's also difficult to update consistently. It can't handle complex data. Let's see an example of a flat file database in use. A teacher can use an Excel sheet or a CSV file to store a student record. The student grade and the other information are all stored in one table. However, the student grade changes over each semester over a period of a year. This can create data duplication. Let's continue to the next topic. What is relational database? It's a database system that uses multiple tables linked using a primary and foreign key to store data. Such structured way of storing data makes it relevant. Such a structured way of storing data eliminates data duplication and maintains data integrity. It can handle complex database systems such as SQL. It's scalable to meet the needs and demands of larger corporates such as e-commerce, universities, but also has its own disadvantage. It is complex to design and it requires an expertise to maintain it. It's also slower to set up for small data set compared to flat file database. In this particular example, a teacher has used relational database to store the student details using two tables, the grade table and the student table. Let's proceed. So what are the real-world uses of flat file database? It can be used in small businesses to keep a record of inventory. Also by schools, teachers can use it to store student marks, student information using a CSV file. On a personal level, it can be used to calculate budget, to store budget information using text files or a spreadsheet. The relational database. Real-world use of relational database can range in different industries and big corporates. Banking and finances, they will use it to store customer information, transaction information. E-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Jumia use relational database system to manage customer details, payment information, orders. Similarly, in airlines and travel and booking, they use relational database to store booking information, passenger information, and so on. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more simple video tutorials, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.